Where do you envision India in the next 40 years?
Yeah, so 40 is really long, but if you do 40, then numbers will not get into the head. But I can tell you 25 years for our Viksit Bharat. We call it Viksit Capital Market for Viksit Bharat. Okay, so we are at about $4 trillion GDP, $5 trillion of market cap, and we've done very well in last 25 years. I mean, despite all the what you call criticism and ups and downs, we've done very well. Our market cap has grown at 13% dollar. 13% dollar for last 25 years, and our GDP growth has been 9% dollar. If we just keep the same pace, I mean, it's very difficult to keep the same pace on a higher base, but I don't see any reason why this same pace cannot be kept. About 6.5–7% kind of a GDP growth rate with 3–4% inflation, and the kind of activity we are seeing in the stock market, that gives me optimism that 13% dollar growth or 15–16% nominal, 15–16% nominal market cap growth, that will continue. Now what that will mean is that in next 7 to 8 years, you will be going from 4 trillion to 8 trillion GDP, and 8 trillion to 16 trillion by 2040, and 16 to 32 trillion by 47–48. That's the kind of a journey. That's the mammoth journey. It is, I mean, when you reload the number, that itself looks, is it possible? Is it possible? But it will all happen. When you climb the Himalayas, you don't have to look at the peak. You have to look at the next 10 steps. So I think that's a game, and India has been doing very well. Our economic management has been very, very disciplined, and we are shooting at about 6.5–7%, 7.5%. With this now, the consumption boost we are going to get, I think that should push it by another 0.5% or so. But jury is yet to be out, and so I think keeping in mind 6.5–7% real GDP growth rate and dollar GDP growth rate about 9%, that will do the magic. So I have seen 45 years of this market. You're asking the next 45. I don't see why it will not be as exciting, or rather more exciting.